Hey everybody, it's 9:40 and 7 seconds on November 1st. This is the mini number 1 for Eternals number 1 graded 9.6. Over here are the 10 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place will get the first 4 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place will get the next available spot filled in order. For the people that have multiple entries, you could come in first and second and win all 5 spots. I believe that goes without saying. So let's roll the dice. The number is 9. Going to randomize 9 times. Again, first gets 4, second gets 1. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here comes the final one. 9. Jesse Sipler and Joe Fote. Congratulations. Just writing that down. Time just turned 9:41. It's 9:41 and 5.